Hello friends, welcome to VTV Learning. I am Vivek Tamilarasan. Today we are going to see the Excel formula spill. Let's see what is spill. Spill means when a particular cell expands towards right or down, that is called spill. For an example, here the empty cell, I'm going to select the range is equal to, I'm selecting the range in a cell, H3, which is B3 is to D24. After pressing enter, I got the table towards left in the right side. I'm just aligning the column. You see, we have the same data towards right, but the format of the spill data is different. Towards left, we have the alignment and the number value in the decimal places, but towards right, we don't have that. For this particular thing, you need to align, or you need to format the particular column so that whenever the data get expanded, it gives the same format. Okay, so this is one type of spill method using range. The another method is using table. For that, let me copy the same data. Let me go towards down. I'm just pasting the same data. I'm converting the normal range to a table. So after clicking OK, you see the above one is the normal range and below one is the table. So a table contains an arrow mark which is facing down, you see, but in the normal range you won't be able to see that particular arrow mark. Okay, now it is table. I'm going to select the same range now. Let's see, is equal to, I've selected the range. Now you see, instead of range, I have received a table name, which is table 2. Pressing enter, you see, I have the data towards right. Let me show you a difference between the normal range and the table range. So you see, in the normal range, we would be having the range as mentioned in the formula bar, but towards down, which is a table format, we have the table name, which is nothing but when you click on this table format, you would be having the table design tab. Click on that, you have the table name. So if you want to change, you can change the table name. The same gets updated automatically. The same format towards right, you have the table design, so you can change any format which you like. Right now I'm just leaving it as is. Let's see, the major difference between the normal range and a table is if we add any data towards down. Let me add it. You see, after adding this, after adding the particular line item which is 49, I received the same towards right. But if I add anything here, let me add the same. You see, the data table towards right is not expanded because we have a fixed range that has been updated already. You see, the last one has not selected, but in a table range it will be selected automatically. How even if you add further 10 items or 20 items, it gets expanded. That is the major difference between the normal spill and the table spill. So both spill, you have another option, which if you want to get the same data in a separate sheet, you can just press is equal to and select that particular cell and press hash. So that means it just highlight the entire range of table and give you in a separate sheet. You see, I'm giving the same is equal to this hash. That's it. These two have the same difference, only whenever the table is in table format, the data gets updated down, but in a normal format it won't get updated. That's it. So that is the basics difference between the basic spill and the table spill. Hope you guys understood the spill formula. Let's see in the different video. If you have any doubt, please don't hesitate to mention in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.